Ever scrolled through your PocketGuard and wondered, what the heck is this age of money thing? You're not alone. It's a bit of a mystery, but fear not, because today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of PocketGuard's age of money and pulling out some crystal clear answers. PocketGuard is all about helping you understand your finances. It tracks your spending, income, and bills, giving you a holistic view of your money. But then there's this age of money. It sounds ancient, right? Like some forgotten financial relic. Well, it's not quite as mystical as it sounds. Essentially, the age of money in PocketGuard represents how long it takes for your income to cover your expenses. Think of it this way: you get paid, and then you start spending. The age of money tells you how many days it takes for your income to fully cover all your expenses for that period. A shorter age of money is generally a good thing. It means your income is keeping pace with your spending, and you're not dipping into savings or incurring debt to cover your daily needs. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you get paid on the 1st of the month. If your age of money is 15 days, it means that by the 15th of the month, your income has covered all your expenses for that month. Now, what if your age of money is 25 days? That means it takes 25 days for your income to cover your expenses. This could indicate that you're spending more than you earn, which is a red flag. Why is age of money important? Understanding your age of money provides valuable insights into your financial health. Spending awareness, it helps you identify potential overspending and encourages you to make conscious spending choices. Budgeting guidance, a high age of money can motivate you to create a more realistic budget and find areas to cut back. Financial stability, a shorter age of money contributes to greater financial stability by ensuring your income can consistently cover your living expenses. How to improve your age of money? Increase income. Explore ways to boost your income, such as a side hustle, freelance work, or asking for a raise. Reduce expenses. Identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses. This could involve cutting back on subscriptions, dining out less, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you're consistently putting money aside for the future. Negotiate bills. Contact your service providers to negotiate lower rates for internet, phone, and other utilities. Interpreting your age of money. Age of money less than 15 days, generally considered healthy. Your income is comfortably covering your expenses. Age of money 15 to 30 days, moderate. You're likely managing your finances well, but there's room for improvement. Age of money greater than 30 days, a cause for concern. You're likely spending more than you earn, which can lead to financial difficulties. Remember, the age of money is just one indicator of your financial health. It's essential to consider other factors, such as your savings rate, debt levels, and overall financial goals. PocketGuard provides valuable tools to help you track your age of money and make informed financial decisions. Utilize these tools effectively to gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits and take control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.